Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today we will be talking about fission and fusion reaction. Okay, so what is fission reaction and what is fusion reaction? One of these reactions so much related to nuclear energy. Okay, so before we talk further about the fusion and fission reactions, okay, let's look at an example. What happens in the sun? Okay. These images show a 3.5-hour time-lapse movie of the flare and filament event. So this GIF diagram picture, we need to credit NASA. Okay, so I get this from NASA page, web page. Okay, hydrogen nuclear fusion occurs in the core of the sun under a very high pressure. Okay, so in this nuclear reaction, two hydrogen nuclei fuse to form a helium nucleus and release nuclear energy. And this energy is radiated to the surface of the sun in the form of light and heat energy as shown. So what is fission reaction? Nuclear fission. Okay, before we look at the definition, okay, look at this.
Dalam proses pembelahan nukleus, tenaga nuklear dihasilkan apabila nukleus atom yang berat dan tidak stabil terbelah apabila dibedil oleh satu neutron. Pembelahan nukleus seterusnya membentuk dua nukleus atom baharu yang lebih. Atom yang berat dan tidak stabil terbelah apabila dibedil oleh satu.
Okay, so it is a process of splitting a heavy nucleus into two or more lighter nuclei accompanied to with a large amount of energy from the mass defect. Later we will talk about what is mass defect. So look at this diagram here. This shows what we have seen just now. A neutron, okay, hit heavy nucleus and then the heavy nucleus split up and that produces energy and other neutrons. Energy is mainly in the form of kinetic energy of the fission fragments and radioactive emission. Okay, let's look again. Okay, when the neutron
Dalam proses pembelahan nukleus, tenaga nuklear dihasilkan apabila nukleus atom yang berat dan tidak stabil terbelah apabila dibedil oleh satu neutron. Pembelahan nukleus seterusnya membentuk dua nukleus atom baharu yang lebih ringan.
What about nuclear fusion? So deuterium and tritium, two small and light nuclei fuse, forming another heavy nucleus. Okay, so the definition is a process when small and light nuclei fuse to form a heavier nucleus while releasing a large amount of energy. So this is the diagram. Okay, so this happens under an extremely high temperature and pressure. So look at the diagram. Small nuclei, deuterium and tritium, then becomes heavier nuclei and energy. Okay, so in the next video, we will look at the relationship between energy release and nuclear energy and what is mass effect.